Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use emotes and gestures on Bloxburg. So to do that, select your own avatar, go to emotes here and select maybe the emotions you want to select shy. And then just walk to stop the gesture or the emotions. And then for gestures, you have these ones, applause. My character doesn't work very well with these, to be honest. There's dances. I like the little frog one. I think it's pretty cute. But those are just, well, there's a lot more, but I think I'm just going to show you those ones. There's also some exercises you can do. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!